Well, damn. Oof. I really like this one. I think it's really nice. Look at that. I almost feel bad taking it off, but it's gotta be done. Oop. Oh, bye. Can I pull the rest of them out? I can. Oh. Oh, not that one. Bye bye. So beautiful. I'm throwing her out. Bye bye, scary makeup. I'll see you again later. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, it is time to take this off again. My whole family's asleep because it's like 2 a.m. right now, so I'm trying to be quiet. Oh my god, I can finally see. I do like whatever it is I did to my hand here, but it's very inconvenient. Let's take it off. Nice. This makeup was so much fun to do, but oh, it took so long. Let's keep going. Ow, ow, ow. My hair's in there. It's fine, I have too much hair anyways. This entire side of my face is covered with latex, so wish me luck. I can't really move my mouth, so let's just start here. It's okay, I got this, I got this. On the good side, it's mostly gone now. And thankfully now it's just the easy part left. Nightmare fuel. And honestly, I'm not even gonna try to wash this off, I'm just gonna go shower. It's the next morning and I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time to take it off again. Yeah. This was a lot of fun to do. Yeah. It was so much fun.
My teeth are black.
Lucky. Mine are yellow. This is what you get for drinking 5 cups of coffee a day. Would you like me to demonstrate the latex?
Yes.
Okay. You just find a side and you go for it.
Does that hurt?
No.
Oh.
Is that in your hair?
Yeah, it is.
Ouch. No. How does that feel?
It doesn't hurt at all.
Would you like to take the other side off together?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Beauty at its finest.
Tears.
Face clean.
Tongue stained.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. As you could probably tell, this makeup was inspired by Squid Games, and I love it. And I'm taking my contacts out first so I can see. Let's start with a small piece. Oh boy. Okay, could be worse. Now I gotta take this monstrosity off, and I'm really not looking forward to that. I think doing it fast is the best course of action. Alright, y'all, 3, 2, 1. Oh. I keep making everything out of cardboard boxes, yes. But that was only the beginning. There's still this piece left. Okay, let's just do the same thing. Deep breath. The other way. Good. Did I really just forget how to breathe? Anyways. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I don't feel pain. Doesn't this just look delicious? Nightmare fuel. And just like that, I'm all clean. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Of course, it is time to take this off again. This is Capricorn from the Zodiac signs gone bad. Capricorn, yes. I was improvising the whole time, but honestly, I love how it turned out. I hope you guys like it too. First, I'm gonna go wash my hand because I can't touch anything with it. Now I got these horns on Amazon and I honestly love them. My hair is so messy. Back to the good stuff. Liquid latex literally, makes everything better. There's so many better ways to remove this, but I'm just so lazy. I just rip everything off. Oh. Nice. No more lashes. No, I just look crazy. I'm just gonna go wash my face. And that's it. Have a great day, you guys. Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I will speak quietly, because it's currently midnight and everyone is asleep. I still can't talk. What's new? And guess what, you guys? I started a YouTube channel, and I will be posting a tutorial for this look on my YouTube. Boom. The link will be on my profile. Now for some good stuff. Let's get to it. Yes. That's nice. Let's take this monstrosity off. Not gonna lie, but monstrosity is a hard word to say. Have a great day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Yes, it is time to take this off again. Starting off with a wig. I am very excited to see again. Okay. Oh, and the second one. Nice. I need to drive my siblings to their dance class in 5 minutes, so we about to speed run this removal. Oh boy. Ow. Okay, there's no going back now. Oh my god. I can't even open my mouth all the way. What? If that's not nightmare fuel, I don't know what is. Okay, I want to see if I can rip it with just my mouth. Yes I can. Oh, that does not feel good. Okay, let's take it off. It does not want to leave my face, but I will make it. I look like a clown. I also feel like a clown, which says a lot. I'm running short on time, and as much as I hate it, I'm whipping out the makeup wipe. I feel like I haven't used one in so long. Oh, nice. My skin is stained in some spots, but it's okay. I need to leave. I can't talk. I can't talk. Oh dear God. Oh, that's my earring. Cute, right? Boom. I look like a carved pumpkin right now. Perfect. Look at that. Yes. I'll be right back. Now my mom's asleep, so I can't talk loud, but I'm kind of glad she didn't see this because she would definitely send me to therapy. Yes. Oh, and by the way, I'll be posting a tutorial on this look soon, so look out for that. My skin can finally breathe.
This is 100 layers of eyelashes, and I'm gonna be attempting to take them off. They're so thick. I don't know how this is gonna work. I guess let's just... Oh my god, wait, that hurts really bad. 1 out of 200. Oh my god. Let's try over here. Yummy. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely tearing out my eyebrows. Nice. The eyelid is where it's gonna hurt. Lash remover, we're gonna need this. Oh, it's burning. Ow. Here's my little gold lashes. My eyes hurt so bad. Thanks for watching.
Lucky for you, my life is run by liquid latex. I'm assuming you mean the satisfying part is taking it off, so yeah, let's do it. I gotta tell you though, Mr. Krabs was not feeling this one. I was though. I'm sorry, I gotta be quiet though, my siblings are asleep, and I'm not trying to traumatize them any more than they already are. I'm starting with the nose. Brother, I just wanna go to sleep, get off my face. That felt so bad, yet so good. little holes. And I gotta serve the nightmare fuel. Now wait, this part is really satisfying too. Oh, so clean. I'ma go wash this off. I am now clean and ready to go to bed. But you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you know it. It is time to take this off again. I am not mad at how this turned out, but it's gotta go. I'm gonna take this off of my ear. Only smart decisions here. I already know the neck is gonna hurt, so I'm gonna do that first. All right, 3, 2, 1. I'm screaming on the inside. No pain, no feel. No, that's my neck. Beautiful. I don't need a crown for people to know I'm a queen, but that hurts. Ow. Maybe I don't need to take the crown off. You know what? No, we're doing it. We're doing it. Ah! Okay, just kidding. That wasn't too bad. That is because all of the latex is still on my forehead. There you go. Now that's in my hair, but we don't need hair anyways. Okay, the hardest part's done. Now this. As scary as I may look right now, I like this shade of green. It's kind of cute. Guess what time it is, my friends? It's time to take this off again. It's already coming off because I've been jumping around. But oh my goodness. It's all one piece, literally. Lovely. Y'all, look at this. Don't you love it? Boop. Little one. Okay, but low-key, that came off super well. Oh my gosh, there's so much glue on my eyebrow. I'll put like 5 layers on just in case. This feels so great. You have no idea. My skin can breathe. I'm so happy. I need to go sleep. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Naturally, it is time to take this off again. So many little crystals. Yummy. I just love having blood in my teeth. I'll worry about it later. This one. Then, of course, we got the one in the nose. That wasn't even too bad. And now the big boy. That was fine, yeah. And now I just gotta make myself look human again. Here, watch this. It's so satisfying taking off makeup. I don't know why. And I am all clean now, and you guys have an amazing day.
I look like Patricia McDonald. Take off my makeup with me. I have an appointment at the animal shelter, and I have to be there in literally 5. If I go like this, do you think they would let me take home a cat? They probably would think that I was gonna force the cat to have an excruciating life in the circus and train him to jump through hoops and stuff with little to no compensation. Or they would just call the cops and then put up a most wanted sign in front of the shelter. Regardless, I'm not really trying to find out. So today I decided to cosplay as your ex, and no, that was not your sign to text him. Aren't these contacts sick? They're like clocks. Really small clocks. Speaking of clocks, do you know what time it is? It's time for you to stop scrolling on TikTok and get out of bed and maybe, I don't know, clean your room, do the dishes, do that homework you've been putting off. I'm just trying to keep you thriving, queen. So you won't end up like this. Bye, I'm going to the shelter. Comment if you think I should get a cat.
Hey there, little freaks. You know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I'm pretty proud of this one. Like, this is one of the my most favorite looks. I know what I'm saying. I can't talk, but I know what I'm saying. I will stop talking so you guys can enjoy the quality ASMR. Lovely. A lot of you guys are recreating my looks and I love it. It's amazing. I love it when you tag me in your videos. But I rip latex off of my skin because my skin is numb. If it hurts to take off, please use warm water and oil. I will soon be posting a tutorial for that look. And have a great day, you guys.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again.
I can talk again, oh my god. That was literally the quietest intro I've ever done in my entire life. Hi, how's it going? I was so happy with this makeup. It took me so much willpower just to take this little part off. But let's just keep taking the rest of it off. I really like how these buttons look, like I can see through these little holes. I literally didn't talk for an hour and I already forgot how to speak. But the small pieces are done, let's do the big ones. The carrot nose. Ah! Sis really popped off there, huh? Alright, now the eyes. Can I, like, take the button out? I can! Why is this scarier than the original look? Oh my god. Okay, now I gotta take this off without ripping my skin. Ah! This. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. As you could probably tell, this makeup was inspired by Squid Games, and I love it. And I'm taking my contacts out first so I can see. Let's start with a small piece. Oh boy. Okay, could be worse. Now I gotta take this monstrosity off, and I'm really not looking forward to that. I think doing it fast is the best course of action. Alright, y'all, 3, 2, 1. Ow. I keep making everything out of cardboard boxes, yes. But that was only the beginning. There's still this piece left. Okay, let's just do the same thing. Deep breath. The other way. Good. Did I really just forget how to breathe? Anyways. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I don't feel pain. Doesn't this just look delicious? Nightmare fuel? And just like that, I'm all clean.